Hi and good afternoon. I will be showing you how we can use Google Slides in our classroom and how we can incorporate it into our lessons that we are learning. So Google Slides is a good way to explain and use photos in different fonts and different colors of what you're trying to talk about and how to a good way to present it, or just a way to show different points over a subject that y'all are learning or that you are teaching. And since our subject we will be doing St. Marcus history, let's on Slides there's a bunch of different templates that you can use for all different types of things. And there's another website that you can bring more in, but let's just start with your big idea. And while this loads, okay, so let's name it San Marcus History. And then you will always need your name and a date, just so we know. And then it's going to give you all these extra slides. You don't have to use them all. So basically, if you want to add a slide, you'll go right up here, new slide. You can push a little arrow and it gives you different things. So let's do this one. And let's say we are talking about its history. Then we can talk about, let's say, the court house of St. Marcus. And then you can either type in points, and you can come up here and find your little points and be like, it's on the square, and add little things. Or you can always delete this and come in here and push insert image, and you can upload it from the computer, search the web, any of that. Let's do search the web and let's look up San Marcus Court House. And if you find a photo, perfectly works. Or you can always come to a new one and do San Marcus Court House and find images. And you can always drag it into your thing and plop. And there you go. And you can also do so many different things. You can insert a text box somewhere that you need to type, or you can just, let me delete this, add images, shapes, lines. You can change the background, like color or anything, the layout, and you can even change the theme in there. And let's say I want to present this really cool. You can do transitions, and there's all different types, so when you do present it, it has a cool little transition between the slides. And it helps you with your spelling if you need spell check, everything else. And like I said, you can insert videos, audio, text boxes, images, shapes, tables, charts, diagrams, anything you need to know. And it's a good way of doing a photo, your topic, and explaining different things. Or your next slide could be fun fact about this, and next one would be so forth and so on. And that's how you will use Google Slides.